Hello and welcome to our channel, the Ministry of the Real Truth. I am the Couch Kumara and I'm a registered minister with a registered congregation. The other day we made a video on a free Linux operating system and put it up and might have forgotten certain details, so we went back to this website, distrowatch.com, had a look for it, found that information, corrected our YouTube video comment, description, and in doing that we found this extraordinary operating system, free operating system. We thought, didn't think that that kind of operating system would exist. Okay, and it's called Ubuntu CE. So we clicked on the link to the website, downloaded it, and then wrote it to a 8GB USB stick using a certain software, Disk Creator, right, which automatically formats it once you choose which one you want, right, and the USB stick as well. Okay, it'll format it and then it'll write it to that USB stick, and you just simply turn it off, right, push F8, choose that USB when it comes up, that USB option, and then from there it'll check your file systems or the file systems on it, and it comes up good, right, then it'll do something else, right, and then you'll basically come to a desktop. It's desktop like this, right, slightly different because we've jazzed it up a bit. Okay, but basically you've got your system, common system folders, that'll be like downloads, music, pictures, all that sort of stuff, right, where you store everything. That's your trash, and that's an option if you want to install this operating system after you've trialed it, you like it, and you want to put it on your hard drive or a hard drive, and then use it from there. Okay, and here's some other things in the sidebar here. You can actually go into settings and make that disappear, hide that. Okay. Okay. So it has these additional software already pre-installed on it. Additional drive. I'll write Solitaire, Bible edit, which basically, with all these tools here, can give you verses from the Bible. Okay, you can mess around with it, change it to 13:2. You can change it to Genesis 21, right, 21:1, or some other book, right. Let's say Judith or Tobit from the Apocrypha. Yeah, and then preview it, edit it, preview it, etc., etc. Whatever you find that you can do with it, with these scriptures, etc., etc. Okay, so that's pretty good. And what else do we have? We have Bible desktop, Bible edit desktop. Okay, got the tools here. You can start a new project, open one, edit, cut, copy, formatting, paste, and so forth. View project notes, chapter as formatted, experimental, etc. Concordance, related verses, references, and so forth. Insert special characters, chapters, verse, markers, characters. There might even be a spelling check there. Don't know if there's a highlighter in there. Tools, transfer text to project notes. Some biblical text, you can copy them and paste them, transfer them. Wherever you prefer. Yeah. PDF viewer, planning, etc., etc. Books, project notes. It is a help. Alright. If you get stuck, tells you a bit about it. It's just Bible Edit Desktop 417, and there's a website you can click on and go to see what else they have to offer. So that's pretty cool. Okay, you have Bible time. That's basically telling you set a time when you want to pray or something like that. Right, study your Bible. Yeah. It's got some tips. We'll close that. We don't want the tips at the moment. So there's heaps of verses there, and you can jump, say, to Revelations John 6:1, or back in history. You can go there. Right. Go somewhere else. You could probably put in another book. There you go. Song of Solomon. If you want to go there, and so forth. Right. You've got all these different helps here. Open a work, a new one, or Bibles or whatever. Just go through it. Probably got a bit of a learning curve, but yeah, it looks all good. Okay, good biblical or Bible software for you to learn the scriptures, etc. Okay, you have a day-to-day calendar. Cheese. Okay, we can't use it because we've already got the webcam running, but you can like turn yourself green or purple, make your video look like it's 100 years old or something, do some freaky things with it. Got some ideas because of that. Okay, you have DNSKeeper, which is just basically a software that protects you, right? It cleans your browser so there's no trace of what you've been up to, and so forth. Yeah. Protects you, whatever, keeps you protected. Okay, you've got files, you've got Firefox web browser, which I think is probably version 91, something like that. Okay, we've already set it up for Google. They haven't added any add-ons, right? But it's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, it's 1991, I think. Yeah, it is. Pretty sure it is. 1991. Just have a look. We definitely it's 91 because we pre-tested this, but we had no sound on our video, so we had to mess around and find out why. We had the wrong codec in what's it called? Simple screen recorder. Okay, what version is this? Okay, 91. It's not so bad. 64-bit, just about 7 updates behind. What else do we have? Okay, you've got Gparted if you want to create some sort of partitions. Hostminder, which keeps you away from porn sites, we're thinking. Right, but it says, okay, you turn it on and it gives you this message. This tool will download and set up a new etc. host file. It will be making changes to your system and should be used at your own risk. It is recommended that you have system backups. Okay, we don't want that. Basically, it stops you from, or anyone from, looking at these kind of sites. Alright, you can go max blocker, right? Ads, porn, gambling, social, fake news, high, medium, or low. Yeah, it's entirely up to you, but we're not going to do that. Muck around with that, and it's probably going to bug us to do so, but no, don't think so. Okay, what else we got here? You can install. This is the install option if you really like this. Language supplement, that might be. Let's have a look what it says. It just says SUP, I think that is. Support supplement. Okay. Didn't really want to update that, but it does it automatically, so it's showing it whatever it's doing. Okay. The language support is not installed completely yet. Remind me later. Not just in that at the moment. So you got all the different languages. Yeah. We're going through this so that you know exactly what it's all about, right? LibreOffice Calculator, Office Draw, Office whatever that is, Office Writing, Live Patch, Mahjong if you like playing the Chinese game, Minds, OpenLP, that's a Bible software, right? Some sort of Bible software included on the system. Choose a translation you'd like to open in LP. Let's go English. Okay. Yeah, first time wizard. Push that one. Please wait. What downloads the resource index file. Yeah, just put them over there. Well, look at these other ones. Okay, yeah, power statistics to see if something's hogging all your RAM. Ramina, whatever that is. Where are we? Ramina. Okay. Ramina. Okay, got rhythm box for music settings. You can suppress your screensaver, stop the machine from going into hibernation, and all that sort of stuff. Shotwell, that's a video editor, I suppose. We've got simple screen recorder to do this video. It wasn't included in the package. Software and updates, software updater, startup apps, start disk creator, Sudoku, text editor, Thunderbird mail, to-do list, transmission. Yeah, we don't know why they got transmission on here, because downloading illegal torrents, it's not really biblical or Christian, is it? But you probably, chances are you probably get some Christian stuff you could probably download, which is in torrent format, or just download it as ordinary. Yeah, it's totally up to you. But yeah, if you're a Christian and all that, and you're using a Christian-based system, yeah, stick to your guns. I got Ubuntu software. That's probably a software shop, like the apt. Okay, what's this? Just see what's going on here. Okay, we don't want this at the moment. Yeah, here's all these things here, all these software that you can probably download, install on this machine, on your machine. Okay, so let's say we're looking for photo and video, screen recorder, whatever. It should be in here. We're not too sure why this is so slow in loading everything. It might be because it's not installed. We found that before on another system that we trialed. Yeah, it took forever to come up, but when we installed it, it's like magic. Okay, so I'm not going to muck around waiting for that. But you got Thunderbird, you got books and references, social, personalization, entertainment, photo, video, security, all that sort of stuff. Let's just try again, see if it'll do anything. No. It should work. We're pretty sure it's because we haven't installed everything and updated everything. This operating system, we haven't put it on a hard drive. Okay. Got utilities, video. Don't exactly know what video player that is. We think it might be MPV or something along those lines. It doesn't indicate what it actually is. What else have we got here? Vim, I'm not too sure what that was. Oh, okay, it's some sort of terminal. VLC media player. Yeah, we don't like to use that much. We actually downloaded it because there's no player on here that was decent. No video player, and yeah, we don't usually use it because it's not reliant. Like, it'll work today and won't work tomorrow, and then it'll work the next day. You have to keep refreshing your machine to get the thing to work. Yeah, got photo screen for webcam and recording, right? Because we had a lot of problems with other and this one where we couldn't hear ourselves. But what happened was, when we did a video, what happened was we changed the codecs in simple screen recorder from Vorbis to MP3, and it recommended that Vorbis is the best out of all the lists, so we went back to that, and voila, we could hear ourselves through the video again. This is welcome to Ubuntu. We showed you that before. Worship Extreme. This is one where church leaders, elders, etc., can set it up, you know, and be in contact with other churches etc., etc. Set up their church service for Sunday via this operating system. Maybe they put it on a laptop, whatever, right? But the thing is, you have to join, sign up, give them your details, your Gmail or what other email address you've got, and your full name or your name, and a password, and you connect to this worship on the cloud, those libraries and all that sort of stuff. You can take a tour, create a new queue list, open a queue list, add some songs, slides, media. It's all there. Bit of a learning curve, I think. We're not going to click on it because this like guide comes through and it's like just continual. There's no way we've found that we can stop it. Okay, so you can use templates, all that sort of stuff. It's basically a church sermon presenter event, whatever, right? Yeah, it's really, really good. And you can delete it here, right? But you have to sign up, give them your name and your email address, and they'll send you a code, and then you just go back, right? And you put that code in, and then you remember, voila, right? And you'll probably get hold of other churches, right? Maybe in the area, listen to their sermons and whatever, and so forth and so forth. Yes, that's really good for church leaders, church organisers, pastors, reverends, etc. Yep. Okay. What else do we have? Okay, we have Firefox, or Firefox Bible. Okay. General options, Bible sync, fonts, color, size and faces, modules, parallel, special. Right. You can probably choose one of these. Again, another learning curve. Okay, there's all your scriptures there. Commentary view, book view, daily devotions, general books. Okay, I click on them and search. Okay, the only thing I don't like here is that half of the wording is cut off. Yeah, we could probably make it smaller. Right, but still the first letters are cut off. So we'll give you a hint. This word here, 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 and here is the word search. Okay. So you've got all these options up here. Okay. And more, say if you want to look at the King James Version, 828, there it is there. Don't have to go through your Bible, trying to find it, you know. You end up in Isaiah or something like that, or in Ruth. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good ideas here. 1769, King James Version with Strong's numbers and morphology. Play around with that. Okay. Anything else here? Okay, that's it. But yeah, because we couldn't go into the software and download things we wanted. Well, we couldn't see it, you know, because the pictures didn't come up, whatever. We decided to use the terminal, and we downloaded. We actually downloaded. I think we might have downloaded application images from applicationimages.org or .com, and for some reason they didn't work. Okay, from the certain site, it might have been appimages.com. They didn't work. Someone had written a comment there that says they're rubbish, that don't work. So look here, I'm pretty sure, yeah. We downloaded these from appimages.com, not the other one, appimages.org, and basically you download it, it's free, right? You don't have to install the thing, you just have to go to properties of it, right? Get permissions, allow executing file as a program, and it should open. Okay. So we tried that, run, waited around, and nothing happened. So that guy on that website, see that comment, the crap that don't work, he was exactly right. He was right on the button. So we got this one from somewhere else, did the same thing. Went to permissions, put allow executing file as program. Okay, we ran it, and it actually went. So we can edit the video, this video, or any video that we made, while we are using it on a USB stick. Okay. This is way better than using virtual box 6.1 or whatever. It doesn't work because it says with my machine I had to go into the BIOS and allow the virtualization. Okay, I can fix computers, I can pick them up off the road, I can pull them apart, I can fix them, get them up and running and all that sort of stuff. But when it comes to the BIOS, I'm not that clever. I can take it to an expert. But yeah, it's probably something in there easy as you can do, right? I mean, but when it goes deep, there's a problem with the BIOS or something like that. It's like, yeah, or chips or whatever it is, you know, or settings or something in the BIOS. I don't know my way around that all that well because we never learnt it at computer school, whatever, right? Yeah, so there's your trash bin. You can show, I guess you can open it and see what's in there. Right. Nothing in there. Oh yes, there's a whole lot of rubbish in there. I don't think we need those. Yeah, because we had a problem with the sound. No, it won't close. Okay, we're going to empty it. Okay, why won't you close? There we go. Empty the trash. Okay. And yeah, we downloaded this and this and something else. Oh yeah, a Vitamux, a video editor through the terminal. It took a while because a lot of them suggested try this and it should install whatever you're looking for. Didn't seem to work, so went hunting around and found other alternative ways of doing it, and that's how we got simple screen, focus screen, and a Vitamux to do this video. So we've taken you through the entire system. Oh, did we go and look at these? Let's go see if we can find settings here. Backgrounds. The backgrounds. Let's have a look. Where are we? Settings. We may be able to find how to do that. Screen lock, file history and trash. Okay, you can clear your history. Automatically delete it, your trash. Temporary files. Your trash I wouldn't, because there might be something in there you go, oh geez, that's right, I messed up with this video, I need that other one that I put in the trash, because I can just edit it a little bit here and there, whatever, right? Okay, background. There's something here somewhere which would let us change our background. We just got to try and remember where it was. Utilities, could that be it? Aha. Okay, that's just telling us it's just telling us about our hard drive, etc. It's not the one we wanted. Frequent all. Okay, system monitor. There's the terminal there, that's the one we use, mate. Okay, on this system. Okay. We already had a look at that one. Okay. Okay, yeah, somewhere in here, we just forgot where it is at the moment, where we can change the background. Startup applications. Okay. Okay, it's here somewhere. I might spend too long a time looking for it. Here's your startup disk creator. If you want to create or put an ISO onto a USB stick and do a live session. Okay, it's here somewhere. Just can't remember where it is at the moment. But you can. Okay, let's have a look at activities. Okay, this is recording. This is a simple screen recorder. Okay, just basically install it and just add a video. We're going to put your videos folder, right? And this is webcam. Just basically set your webcam. It should detect it, right? And use it to for the sound, coming through your webcam. You can use it as a separate software to record video. Okay, we like the old Voco screen. We don't like the NG version. We found that our sound was buggy, choppy for different reasons, right? Okay, up here you got your power off, your microphone, okay, your volume, your network connection, your Wi-Fi connection, okay, what language you're using, English, you can change it, and so forth. You got your date up here, okay, yeah, you'll find it if you want to change your backgrounds. We just can't remember where the hell it is at the moment. Okay, you could probably look in here somewhere. Picture videos, other locations. Okay, what we could probably do, if we go here, no, okay, no. Yeah, it must be something up in this applications files. So we've got files. No. Yeah, it's an option in here somewhere where you can go and you can find like different backgrounds, Jesus themes, Bible at a beach or the Bible on a bridge. There's a couple there that are exactly the same. Two bridges that look exactly the same. Yeah, you'll find it. Okay, so if you really like this video in this operating system, this Christian operating system, Ubuntuce, and you want it because you're a Christian and it'll be good for your Bible readings and notes and stuff like that. Set up your church worship through video, through your laptop, whatever, your computer. Well, who carries a computer around? Most people carry a laptop, etc., etc. If you like it, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, add your comments in the comment section down there below this video, and then we'll get back to you on those as soon as we can. And go share this video with all your Christian friends, your Jewish friends, all your religious friends, whoever's interested in this. Tell them that the Ministry of the Real Truth did it first. They brought it to you, and if I put the first comment on distrowatch.com in regards to this. So this is the pros and the cons of this system. We'd give it 9 out of 10. only because the software didn't show us the screenshots and stuff. Yeah, let's go 9. Yeah, 8.59. Okay, out of 10. Okay, it's really nice looking. Look at that. Yeah, I know it's not the way when you can't flick the pages, but look how clear that is. Right. So Isaiah going on about when supposedly Lucifer or Satan fell from the heavens like lightning. Okay, and so forth. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. Add your comments below. And then go share it with all your Christian, Jewish and Islamic friends.